pay for everything you want. You strong? Excuse me? If your daughter can do 10 push-ups, I'll pay for everything you're buying. Let's go. 1, perfect form. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect form. I'll give you some. What's your name?
Taylor.
How old are you?
Like 8.
What are you doing with your
Like we're gonna sit.
What can I see? Like animals? Let's pay for it.
Like I don't know.
Anytime. Have a good day. Thank you. Anytime.